In SmartSuite, when you're working with different views, it's important to stay organized. And in this particular training, we're going to be breaking down how you can leverage folders inside of the views section so that you can group your views into these subcategories and stay more organized inside of your applications. If that's of interest, stick around and let's get into it. Let's hop right on into my screen here and take a look at our views. And of course, it's important to first note that we have to be in a solution and inside of an application. So for this example, I've chosen the Sales CRM and I'm in my Contacts app. Now, if I go into the upper right corner and I click on my view listing here, we're going to see a number of different views that have already been created inside of this application. What we want to do is stay more organized, and so we're going to group these different views into folders. In order to access a folder, first come up to the plus sign here, and at the bottom of all the different views, we see that we have the folder option. Let's go ahead and create a folder here, and it starts off with the name of new folder. I'll call this folder 1 for our example, and I will come out of there. Now what we have is this collapsible folder, and in here we can just include new views. So I can click and drag those views down into my folder section. And here we go, the new contact form is now inside of the first folder, and I can collapse that folder for better clarity, especially if I have a lot of different views and folders. So again, once I want to get my organization set up inside of my views, I can just click and drag them in, and I can create as many folders as I require. I'll go ahead and create a second folder for us here, folder 2. And add some views into that folder. Let's get that all the way down into folder 2 and release it. So now I can again collapse this folder down, collapse this folder down. So maybe I have my main views here and I want to put those in a different folder or not. So any uncategorized views are going to be outside, but the luxury of the folder is it allows us to collapse and expand that particular area, and so we can stay more organized inside of our view listing. If you have any questions about what we covered in this training, please ask them below in the comments section of this video. And until then, we'll see you in the next training.